Today we are in conversation with the life secret, Zindagi Raz, a well-known spiritual guru ma, Rishima. Welcome, madam. Rishima, tell us about your earlier life before coming into the spirituality.
Looking at my early life, you can say that I was born not in a silver spoon but in a golden spoon. From the very birth, I had all the materialistic pleasures and amenities which a girl would dream to have. And I was a happy-go-lucky person in my family. And after my marriage also the same thing, I was married to a billionaire. And there also the same, I can say that there I was playing in a platinum spoon, and very happy family life, a very happy married life with 2 children. And
Madam, having luxuries in life, how and what decided to follow Swamiji and spirituality?
after, even though I was having all the happiness and luxuries in life, I was feeling as if I am missing something in my life. I was a religious person basically from the very birth, but even then I was not happy from within. I felt as if I was missing something, and I was always in search of the real happiness a human needs, and that I was not able to make out what the real happiness is unless and until I came in contact with Swamiji. So with the Swamiji's guidance and help, and which I got to know later that what the real happiness is, I decided to be into spirituality, to know what the spirituality is, what the real happiness is, and now I am on the path of getting that real pleasure and happiness of my life.
In today's world, Rishima, many spiritual leaders are there, gurus are there, religions, beliefs, and what not. You have sometime before mentioned study your own self.
Yes.
How does it help society?
See, if I'll say that there is a fish in the ocean who knows what the water is. Unless and until you take the fish out of the water, or there is a mountain goat on the mountain, she will know what the pleasure of there in the mountain is. Unless you come out of that and know what the real happiness is, some things are that unless you experience it, you will not be able to make out what the real sense is. But through spirituality, I can say that much, that I am able to find that bliss and compassion which it was missing, the peace, the real happiness which I was missing in my life, that I have achieved it through the guidance of Swamiji. And unless and until each and every person doesn't experience what the real happiness is, what the real understanding of one's soul is, it is far more more than impossible. Once you have all these things in your life, means I can say that अगर आपके पास कुछ है, आपके पास happiness है, आपके पास किसी को देने के लिए पीस है, कंपैशन है, तो आप किसी को दे सकते हो. अगर आपके पास ही कुछ नहीं है, तो जो मुझे मिला है, तो अब मैं दूसरों को देने के लायक हो गई हूँ. मीन्स मैं दूसरों को दे रही हूँ और दूसरों को खुश करके मुझे खुशी मिल रही है. तो वही बात है कि जब तक आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करोगे तो वो आप नहीं पता कर सकते हो कि वो जो एक इनर हैप्पीनेस जो क्या होती है, जो अपने सोल का, जो आत्मा को आप समझ लोगे, तभी वो आप कर पाओगे दूसरों के लिए.
Madam, you say that materialistic gain is important than the inner peace, inner soul peace.
No, not at all. Because materialistic, मेरे पास सब कुछ था, but I was not happy from within. Yeah, I cannot say that I was not happy. I was happy. Materialistic हिसाब से मैं बहुत खुश थी. पर जो एक इनर एक होता है कि एक इनर हैप्पीनेस, कि जो एक आत्मा का अंदर से क्या चाहिए। जैसे मैं कह सकती हूँ कि महावीर स्वामी, बुद्धा, उनके पास क्या कुछ नहीं था, सब कुछ था, पर फिर भी उन्होंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया। तो ऐसा ही यू कैन से दैट इट हैज़ हैपेंड विथ मी कि मेरे पास सब कुछ था, वो जितना इतना ज़्यादा भी मिल गया कि मैं शायद मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं रही। तो मुझे अब क्या है, ये ज़िंदगी का मतलब क्या है। तो जैसे मेरा नाम भी था पहले ज़िंदगी राज, तो मुझे उसी का राज जानना है कि ज़िंदगी का राज क्या है। तो सो आई एम हियर इन स्पिरिचुअलिटी, और मैं वो पाथ पे हूँ, जानने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
In today's world, the new trend is coming that we follow way of living and spirituality. How does it differ and how does it help society?
आज के ज़माने में मीन्स इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड देर आर मैनी वेज, मीन्स ऑल पीपल आर कंफ्यूज्ड. Some are doing this yoga, some are doing meditations. Even here in Goa, I saw there are so many workshops and courses of mind, body, intelligence, this, that. But I think so that unless and until, means all those are confused things. Means yoga, actually today's people doesn't know what the real yoga is, what the real pranayama is, real asana is. Without the combination of all those things, you cannot be in any one. Suppose only doing physical exercises, you cannot say you are a yogi, or you are doing yogas. So people nowadays are so much confused in all these things, and that's why they are moving from here and there. And that's why I think that for the real, you need a real guru, because nowadays actually people doesn't know that what is they combine religion and spirituality. So these two are totally different things. Religious things and spiritual things, these are totally different. As there is atheist and a theist. Atheist also, if doesn't know anything, a theist also doesn't know. For both of them, it requires to know what the real matter is, and there the spiritual thing starts, where you don't know anything and you need to know something, then it is spirituality. That is what I believe.
Madam, you are following Swamiji for so many years.
Yes.
There is a good response across India.
Yes.
Now you all are focusing towards Goa. What made you all focus in Goa?
No, actually we are not focusing in Goa. We were here because Swamiji's some followers from Canada, Russia and France had been here, and they wished that Swamiji should be here. Actually we invited them to our place, but they wished that no, as they are conducting some courses over here and it was not possible for them, and they wanted to meet Swamiji. So they invited us here in Goa, and so we are here.
How is your journey in the footsteps of Swami? Has it changed?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell our viewers?
Yeah, definitely it has changed to a better thing, and actually I cannot say how the journey is, because it's just a beginning, and in spirituality there is no end. So let's see that till what time and till when this journey leads me. But till now I am totally helpful and from Swamiji, and I am at peace, and I can say that I am fully contented on my side that I am with a true Guru.
Now, if our viewers want to contact you or have some queries in life, how should they come up?
They can have my email ID, that is reshima223@gmail.com. They can contact me on this email ID, as Swamiji doesn't speak to anyone directly.
As you know, Goa is a globally recognized place as a tourist destination.
Yes.
There are many gurus coming in Goa. So, is it bad? Because something in the modern society, what is Guru? What is Swami?
Yes.
What is the say on this?
Actually, in our Indian culture or tradition, this is a word given a guru or a Swami. But I can say for my Swamiji, my Guru, that he is a friend. So he never tells that these are my disciples or these are my followers. He always says that these are my sathis. So he wants everyone to be his friend, and he is very friendly to all. And he always says that whatever you do for the people, for the society, or for ourselves. You have to be true to yourself. If you are true to yourself, you have to understand your soul, your atma, your inner thing, and then if you serve the person, then you are not never wrong. You are not going to do wrong to anyone, and that's where the society can flourish and be together.
Thank you, madam. It's nice
Thank
to
you.
have you.
Namaskar.